Hi, I am going to sing some of Set Fire to the Rain by Adele, and I hope I sound well because I'm videotaping this, and my voice doesn't really sound good. So here it goes. I let it fall, my heart never fell, you rather claim it. It was us, and now it's over, until you kissed my lips when you said me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stay in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say they were never true, and the games you play you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it gone when I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Well, lay with you, I could stay there, close my eyes for you here. Forever, you and me together, nothing is better, 'cause there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say they were never true, and the games you play you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned when I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain, and now threw us into the flames when we fell on the night, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Sometimes I'll wake up by the dark, that had you come, must be waiting for you. Even now when already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. I set fire to the rain. And now I'm going to skip the rest of the part and go to near the end. Let it burn. Oh, let it burn. I'm sorry, I don't sound good at that part. Let it burn. Oh, let it burn. Oh, let it burn. I hope you liked the video. I hope my voice sounds good. I really hope you do, and bye.